Hi everybody, day 3 Vlogmas. I'm going to be cooking something I picked up from the store. I did go shopping for other things like, what did I go shop? To get like Christmas outfits for Kitty and to get some other things. But instead it's time to cook because I got hungry too. So I'll show you what I'll be making. Okay, so this one right here is a sweet Italian sausage with marinara sauce. And I think these is crushed your spicy chili peppers. The pasta, the pin pasta. And this mozzarella sticks. So anyway, I'm going to make some pasta because I don't want to go ahead and buy them all at the... buy already made pasta when I can make it myself. So I'll just show you all how I make it. We'll see how that turns out. Okay. Here's Kitty. He's just going to be watching. That's all. Alright, stick around and for the turnout of how this worked out. Just make sure you have some boil them. You can do it if you want to bake yours. I don't know what you do, but I'm gonna boil these, and then I'm gonna cut them up. I'm gonna use about 3, so I think that will work for me. And you only really need to boil these for 30 minutes. That's what I think. I mean, it's up to you. I probably would do 30 minutes, put a timer on it, and just 30 minutes boil them. And then make sure I have the pasta ready and everything. Well, the sauce ready. And the pasta. You know what I mean. And put it all together. Stay tuned. So here's the pasta boiling. The sausage is in here and looks done. And this is like a seasoning oil that I made. That's probably going to go in the sauce most likely, of course. I use some crushed peppers, sea salt, and this right here, it's like Creole seasoning, and pepper. And now you're like, aren't you going to use this oil right here? This is spicy oil. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use this since I made my own oil right now. Because it might be too spicy. But anyhow, stay tuned. I'm going to cut these up. So here's the cut up sausage that we'll be putting in the oil. Just want to make sure you get all around. Of course, it's going to all blend with the sauce. Here's the middle of breadstick, well, with mozzarella cheese. And there you have it. Oh, let me put some. Hi, I just added the Parmesan cheese. Here's my breadstick. And I'm ready to eat. So, thank you all for joining me. Please press the like, subscribe, watch my previous videos. Thanks again. This is the pasta dinner.